y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we're back and we in business. So before we even get this video started, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel, because I feel like I provide pretty dope content. So make sure you just go over and subscribe to my channel if you like makeup, all things beauty. So once you get that out the way, then we can get this video rolling. So today I'm gonna be doing a New Year's glam look, and I'm gonna be using these two palettes. This is the I'm Reezy palette, the I'm Reezy ABH palette, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette. So I'm gonna be using these two palettes today to create the eyeshadow look that I'm going for. I don't really know what I want to do. I know I want to do like some purple peach pink tones. So we're gonna do something in the violet family. But yeah, so without further rambling, let's just get right into the video. I've already done my brows. I'm gonna do a separate video on how I do my brows pretty soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for that. But today we're gonna be talking about eyeshadow. So yeah, we're not gonna do the base makeup in this video. I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow and my lashes. But I'm gonna make a separate video with the base makeup. So if you wanna see that part of the makeup tutorial, then just go over and watch that video. Also, I'll leave it in the cards if it's already up. If it's not already up, then stay tuned for it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the I'm Reezy X Anastasia. I'm just gonna say ABH because Anastasia Beverly is this was a mouthful. So the I'm Reezy palette, and I'm gonna go in with New Yorker. No, I'm gonna take OG. OG is that brown shade right here, and I'm gonna blend that out into my crease. And my brushes are kind of dirty. Ain't no kind of in it. They're dirty. But we're just gonna work with what we got, okay? Because I haven't washed my brushes, so don't judge me. Please don't. I accidentally put too much on my eyes, so I'm just gonna blend it out to make it look like it's not so much, but it's a lot. I didn't mean to put that much on my eye, but yeah. So I'm just gonna make this eye look like this eye. And you wanna tap off your brush like once you dig in there, cause these eyeshadows are very pigmented. So you wanna dip your brush off in there and then tap it. You see how the excess that came off? Yeah. Tap it, and then I'm just gonna go and just blend this all over my crease. Now I'm gonna take the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color Credit. This is color right there. And I'm gonna use this small brush, and I'm gonna place that on the outer portion of, the outer portion of my eye. So I'm gonna place it right here in like a V shape, so that I'm gonna blend it up and then blend it over. And it's like a deep purple shade. And then I'm just gonna build it up until it makes like an ombre effect between that shade and this shade. And to make that a little bit darker, I'm gonna go in with the I'm Reezy palette. And I'm gonna go in with the color Yugo. It's this really, really deep purple shade right here. And then I'm just gonna make that darker. So I'm gonna take like a pencil brush, and then I'm just gonna go in right here and deepen up the crease. And doing this technique just makes your eyeshadow look a little bit more vampy. I'm going for like a vampy look today. So that's all this does. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take Pinker. Yeah, I'm gonna take Pinker in the Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to take the color Pinker right there, and then I'm gonna blend that up in this area right there. It's hard to explain exactly where the area is. It's hard to say like what it is, but I'm gonna blend it like right up in here because I brought the purple over and I'm gonna blend pinker like right up in here. So I'm literally gonna tap this like until all the extra product comes off because I only want a little bit on there, and then I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna blend right up in here. As you can see, just added like some depth. Well, not some depth, but some nice color to the look. Okay, now we're gonna cut the crease. So I don't normally cut my crease with concealer, but we're gonna do it today. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. And we're gonna cut the crease. Wish me luck, y'all. I don't normally cut the crease with concealer, simply because I'm not that good at it, honestly. But we're gonna try it today because you have to be really, really precise, and my hand shakes really bad. But we're gonna try this today. So what you wanna do is open your eye, get where your crease is, and then just go from there. And try not to get it on because when you have hooded lids, it's hard to like not get it on the rest of your eye, but just try not to do what I just did. And then I like to like keep my eyes low and then just fan it so that it can dry. Now I messed up on this eye, so we ain't gonna even talk about that. But you get the drift. Just apply concealer onto your brush and be very precise and just cut the crease like that. I can't let y'all see up close because it don't look that good, but hey, we gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it, okay? We're gonna fix it. This eyeshadow look is gonna come out bomb in the end. Bet you that. Alright, so we're gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette and go into Zam, which is this pretty sparkly gold shade. And we're gonna apply that on top of the concealer. And I like to pat it instead of rub it, because the concealer is kind of like adhesive. It's not adhesive, but it sticks. It's sticky, so it acts like adhesive. Now we blend. What I'm gonna do is blend the edges so that they can combine, so that they don't look as sharp. You see, like we don't want that. We want it to look like it flows. We want it to look like it melts. They melt into each other, if that makes sense. All right, so now we got everything blended out, and it looks funny. The funny thing about eyeshadow is it always looks funny until you put these lashes on. It always looks funny for some reason until you put your lashes on. When you put your lashes on, it's like, girl. So this is what we about to do. So I'm gonna come back when I'm about to put it on so I can show y'all how I put on my lashes. I'm gonna take a mirror. I'm gonna use a mirror on my eyeshadow palette. Just gonna take a mirror and hold it down. Make sure the glue is tacky on your lash. Hold it in the middle and place it on your eye. Like that. And then I like to do this for some reason. I don't know, it just makes my lash look better when I do it. So I like to do that. And I just like to make sure it's all the way up on my eye right. The glue is sticking. And there you go. And these are my lashes in the South China. Alright, so here's the look with the lashes on. So to finish the makeup, it's going to be in a separate video from this video. If you want to see the base makeup as well, then go over to my channel and find the video. It should be either before this one or after this one. And yeah, so it's going to be in a separate video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will come back when I've done the whole base makeup and show you guys the finished look. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look, okay? I went and done my base makeup in the separate video, and so this is what it looks like together with the base makeup, with the lip gloss, with everything. Everything looks perfect, okay? It looks perfect. Looks perfect. Alright, so make sure you shop my lash collection, and I also offer wigs, accessories, whatever you need. The link will be in the description box to my website, so make sure you click the link in the description box so that you can see my website, welcome-to-asialuxe.com. Yeah, so what else? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, that's it. So make sure you comment in the comment section below something you want to see. Like, tell me what y'all want to see. I like to post what y'all want to see, so let me know what y'all want to see. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to get up out of here because I got a friend date to go on. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.